The following segment is sponsored by Parris RV.
Okay, I could definitely get used to this. I am here at Parris RV at their Payson location, hanging out with Brett on this back of this toy hauler. Let's just start here. This area is so nice. I could just picture myself like laying in the sun or just like looking out at the creek and just chilling.
Yeah, you know, you back this up to the lake, back it up to the, over the river, whatever, wherever you've got this parked. You've got this real nice patio deck. You've got this railing. You've got a real nice awning for shade with a light on it. Of course, you've got a set of steps that come with it that go off the back. I'll also just mention this is a 2025 ATC, and the model's called a 3618. So what is ATC? Aluminum Trailer Company. And what makes these so special is there is not one stitch of wood, and I mean not anywhere, not a backing plate, not
cupboards, the kitchen.
No,
even?
yeah, the cabinets are aluminum, the countertops are solid surface, but there is zero wood in the construction of an ATC trailer, and that's any ATC. We just happen to be looking at the 3618, and what that means is you've got basically a 36-foot trailer behind your truck, and then you have 18 feet of cargo on the inside when you go ahead and turn it into a hauler.
Okay, that's awesome. So toy hauler. Obviously, when you purchase one of these, you want to put your toys in them. But this one actually can even fit like a Jeep.
Yeah, this will handle Jeeps, race cars, rock crawlers. I mean, really about anything. A lot of people will come in to me and say, "Hey, can I put my Jeep in this brand X toy hauler?" No. The ramp door doesn't handle it. It doesn't have enough cargo carrying capacity. But on an ATC, it is specifically designed to carry those types of heavier vehicles.
What else could you put in here?
Gosh, I mean, it doesn't always have to be about hauling big toys. You can have kayaks and paddle boards and, anything else, motorcycles, ATVs. But, I think the number one use would be either be UTVs.
Okay.
And a very large one will fit in here. Doesn't matter, about any UTV will fit in this. And then, of course, like a Jeep or something would probably be the two most common things.
Okay, that makes sense. Lots of space. Okay, and once you're parked, toys you've put out there, you can just chill here. You've got the couches, the table, there's a lot of space to just hang out inside.
So it's got the dual electric beds in the back that both turn down to queens. You just hit a button, those go up so you can drive in and park. It's got 6-point auto level. You just hit a button, jacks go down, level you out. It's got 3 air conditioners. The capacities on this amaze me. It's got 200 gallons of fresh water. It has this particular model has the option, but it's got 2 50-gallon fuel tanks. So 100 gallons of fuel that you can put on board this rig. And then it has 8, this particular one's got the Energy 3000 power package. So it's
nice.
Got 800 watts of solar, 500 amp hour batteries, a 3,000 watt inverter which will run an air conditioner. You've got the primary bedroom up top with a second TV up there. You've got a big side aisle bath. Everything that any other RV or toy hauler has, this has, just in a 100% aluminum package built for life.
And it's so cool
inside.
So cool. It's amazing. Okay, If we want to come look at this, where do we go?
Yeah, so we carry this at 3 or 4 of our locations. We've got them in Pocatello, we've got them in North Murray, we've got them in Payson. Of course, we do have another store in South Murray. They just don't have this. But you can just shop online, at parrisrv.com. It's a great place to check them out.
Come take a look at this toy hauler. It's awesome. Brett, thanks so much. Great to see you.
Thank you.